that I like to call Lake Peace. This lake makes me center my soul and my mind. The ducks probably are somewhere else. I don't know. Here's Chong. Sometimes he's never at peace. He just wants to keep going. And he does not like the motorcycles. I don't know why. Him and the motorcycles don't get along. I think it's because they're so loud. So I try to take him places that the motorcycles are. See here, now he is looking at the lake a little bit. He likes to look at the lake too. That trail down there, I don't always like to go down because I'm afraid I'm gonna fall and slip. And that would be not a good thing. I'd probably have to start screaming, and then somebody that walked nearby would eventually find me. But I figured this could give everybody peace. If they didn't have peace for the day, they can look at the lake and feel at peace. We are now at the lake that I like to call Lake Peace. This lake makes me center my soul and my mind. The ducks Okay, here's the other side of Lake Peace. Today there is 2 ducks over there. They're way back there. Today must be a peaceful day for all creatures alike. And I'm happy that these fragile creatures found peace today. The water's very soothing. The crickets are nice. This would be perfect just for a family picnic or just about anything. And a lot of people do come down here to fish, have their picnics, and things like that, especially around the holidays. I'm hoping I get this, or they're swimming a little bit over that way. But I thought I'd get some pictures of the other side of Lake Peace for everybody. Oh, there's the horses. Looks like Black Beauty. And there's the white horse. Alright, here's me and Chong's famous waterfall he's been going to since he was a baby and learned how to walk and got to walk farther. One day if he's not around, I don't know if I'll be able to come here without crying, because it's our special spot. I like to call it Chong Falls. Chong's is the reason why I come here so much. He's really made a big difference in my life and my depression and everything. I don't know what I would do without him. He's everything to me. And he pushes me to come out of the house and do things I normally wouldn't do. Alright, here's another little spot. There was a big fish over here. You can see in the ripple. And I kind of like the tree that's all bent. It has character. really does. And it's nice. I mean, I'm afraid I would never let him swim in there because I'm afraid of if he would get like sick or anything. Oh, here, there was another one. I don't know if you've seen that. Oh, there, we got fish today. Oh my goodness. We never get fish shots. We got a little bit of a horse and now a fish, and we found the ducks. Today's been a good day.